Hello everyone, ever needed to iterate through multiple lists back to back, ending up with repetitive for loops like this? It's messy and redundant. Okay. Duplicating logic is bad practice, and combine list with the plus operator wastes memory. The professional way is using itertools.chain. It links your collection seamlessly with zero memory overhead. Excuse me. And let's spin it. Okay. These tools snap together like Lego bricks. You can even pass dynamic sequence like the repeat function straight into chain. Check this out. Okay. Now, what if you have a nested list of uneven sublists and you want to flatten it into a single sequence? We have two fast ways to do this. Method 1, use Python argument unpacking with the star operator. Let's run like this. Okay. Method 2 is even cleaner and more memory efficient. We use the dedicate chain dot from underscore iterable method directly on the nested collection. Okay. And that's how you write cleaner, faster Python using chain. If this quick tip helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.